front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. Begin by opening Themes app. Following that, you can click on Featured at the bottom left corner. Select Themes at the top left corner and pick one of those themes right away. You can also click on the search bar, type in wherever you want to, and click on one of those under Themes section. You can even select categories at the bottom or top and pick one of those themes. When you find the perfect one, you need to click on Buy, or to select a free one, click on one of those under Free section and hit Download. Then select Apply and wait. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to one of your default ones, access the same app again. Click Featured at the bottom left corner and select one of those themes under Preset Themes. Then hit Apply right away and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!